Hey everyone! Welcome back to LVSLogics. If you're looking to level up your coding skills and ace those technical interviews, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of LeetCode. I'll walk you through how to get started, tips for solving problems, where to find help, and the benefits of solving these challenges. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is LeetCode? LeetCode is an online platform that offers a vast library of coding problems, specifically designed to help you prepare for coding interviews and improve your programming skills. With thousands of problems categorized by difficulty, it's an incredible resource for both beginners and experienced coders. Plus, it covers a wide range of topics, from data structures to algorithms, so you can really focus on the areas you want to improve. Now that we know what LeetCode is, how do we pick the right problems? Here are a few tips. Start with easy problems. If you're new, begin with the easy ones to build your confidence. The key is to understand the basics first. Follow popular patterns. Look for common problem types, like two-pointer techniques or dynamic programming. These patterns often show up in interviews. Use tags and topics. LeetCode allows you to filter problems by topics such as arrays, strings, or trees. Pick a topic you want to master and go from there. Practice daily. Set a goal to solve 1 or 2 problems a day. Consistency is key. Now, where should you start? Here's a simple roadmap. Create an account. It's free to sign up, and you can start solving problems immediately. Explore the Top Interview Questions section. This section lists the most frequently asked questions in coding interviews. It's a great way to focus your practice. Daily Challenge. Participate in the daily coding challenge that LeetCode offers. It's a fun way to stay engaged and push your limits. Set up a study plan. Dedicate time each week to focus on LeetCode. Whether it's an hour a day or a few hours over the weekend, make it a routine. Next, let's talk about some tips for solving problems effectively. Use LeetCode's problem library. Don't just randomly pick problems. Use the filters to find ones that match your skill level and interests. Time yourself. Try to solve problems within a set time limit. This simulates interview conditions and helps you manage your time better. Review your solutions. After solving a problem, review both your solution and the top solutions from the community. This can provide new insights and alternative approaches. Take breaks. If you're stuck on a problem, take a short break. Sometimes, stepping away can lead to a breakthrough. Now, everyone gets stuck sometimes, and that's okay. Here are some resources to help you. LeetCode's forums. These are great places to ask questions, share solutions, and learn from others. LeetCode's Discord server. Join discussions, get live help, and connect with other coders who are also preparing for interviews. Ask for help online. Don't hesitate to use platforms like Stack Overflow or Reddit. There's a community of coders willing to help. Finally, let's talk about the benefits of diving into LeetCode. Improve your coding skills. Regular practice will sharpen your problem-solving skills and coding proficiency. Prepare for interviews. Many tech companies use LeetCode style questions in their interviews. Practicing here can give you a significant edge. Have fun. Coding challenges can be really enjoyable. As you solve problems and see your progress, it becomes rewarding and motivating. So there you have it, your guide to getting started with LeetCode. Remember, the key is consistency and a willingness to learn. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more coding tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments your favorite LeetCode problem or any questions you have. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Quote.